Hello friends, this video is about making a PDF of a written answer script. So go to Play Store, type PDF scanner. Many PDF scanners are there. You can download any one of these and you can make use of it. I have downloaded PDF scanner app, okay. So this is my PDF scanner. See, there is a camera button here. I am clicking on it. Now my answer script is here. You cannot take a snap of your answer script like this, okay. Your camera should be on top. Yes, and try to cover the whole borders of the paper. See, from right this corner, all the four corners should be inside your scanner. So now all my four borders are inside my scanner. So now I am going to make a click. So I am clicking, mine got captured. Now I have to take the second page. So I am opening my page. It's well and good if you don't tie your paper, okay. Before tying the paper, if you are able to take the photo, it is well and good. Number your pages here so that it will be easy for us to know which paper comes first, which paper goes second. So again, all four corners are covered nicely and I am going to make a click of this photo. Yes. So I have taken two snaps. You can take how many papers you want, okay, and then here, click here. Can you see here, my paper is already cropped by the app, okay. So no need for me to crop anything. If for example, if I wanted to crop this, okay, I can just drag. Yes, so this paper is fine. So next paper, this is also cropped properly for me, so I need not crop. No manual cropping is necessary here because the computer or the software has cropped it by itself. So all is done. So I am going to put a tick mark, done. So the paper is ready. Now I can make it brighter also through Magic 1, Magic 2, all that is there. See, this Magic 1 is black and white, Magic 2 is brighter with the color, okay. For me, original is more than enough, okay. If you want to brighten up your paper, you can brighten up also. So save. When I give save, it is asking for the name of the PDF. So I am going to name my PDF. So test 1. Here is the save button, so save it. Now my document is processed and it is saving. Okay, so saved. This is a advertisement, so I am closing it. Now it's asking whether to open or to save to gallery or to share. I have to share to my teacher or to someone else, isn't it? So I am sharing it. It is asking whether to save it in the Facebook or send it to Facebook or anywhere else, isn't it? So I am sending to the person whom I should send it to. So the PDF is sent to the person, okay. This is one method. Another method is if you really don't want to download any app from the Play Store, okay, you think that it is going to occupy more place in your phone, which you do not need it in future. See, PDF only now you may need it, afterwards you may not need it. So if you think so, you don't want to download anything from the Play Store, another easy method is also there. See, every phone will have a Google Drive. So go to Google Drive, click on Google Drive. There is a plus sign here, okay. Click on plus sign. See, folder, upload, scan, all these options are there. Since I have downloaded docs, sheets and slides, it is showing there. Maybe there might be an option also in your phone, okay. So click on scan. Okay, So again the paper is there. I am going to exactly do the same process which I did last time. Click like a photo. Now it's taken, isn't it? So this page is perfect. So OK. If I wanted to add, okay, I can, plus sign is there. So I am going to add plus sign. Again I am going to take the next page. This one is not nice, isn't it? My photo is not nice, so I am going to redo it. Again I am going to keep it here and I am going to click. If something goes wrong, again I can click here, click this button and I can redo it. So this page is also okay for me. So I clicked OK. See, I can change the color of the paper. Here it is black and white. I can make it into color so that this turns into the exact paper. Okay. So now this is back. Again, if I wanted to take a photo, I can do it from first. Okay. So now I have taken some photos of the paper automatically. See, this is crop. You can crop it. If you wanted to rotate the paper from landscape mode to a portrait mode, you can do here. Okay, and then now save. All the photos I have done. So save. So I have to type the name of the text, isn't it? So test 1. So my mail address is there. So to my drive, I am saving it to my drive. So save in my drive. So automatically here the file is uploading. So after it got uploaded, see here PDF got uploaded. There is a 3 dots. Click on that. Can you see here, send a copy? Okay, there are many things, copy link, make a copy, send a copy is there. Click on send a copy. It is asking where to send, through Gmail or through WhatsApp. If you wanted to send through Gmail, you can send through Gmail. If you wanted to send through WhatsApp, click on WhatsApp. Whoever you wanted to send, click to them. It is being sent to them. So there are 2 types. Whichever is comfortable to you, you can make use of it. Hope it was very helpful to you. Thank you. Bye-bye.